the magic unfold.
Hello and welcome to JJ's Mystical Market. My name is JJ, and we had gone over the Everlore Hollow book subscription, and I wanted to give an update. So this is the first book, and the Echoes of the Crucible episode 1. And we had already kind of shared that we had gotten this little bookmark for inside of there, which was really cool. The other thing is in between the pages, there was some little stickers that came with it, that kind of went along with that part of the book. So that was kind of cool. And then, there were some pages in here. Let's see. So that kind of, and so actually this goes with this. Let's see. There are pages in here that kind of give kind of like a side story, like behind the scenes of the book, of like thoughts of the person that they had written down. It's a really interesting book, actually. And I was kind of, wondering, because you never know with book subscriptions, and I mean it wasn't hard to read. The music was actually really good, the candles smelled amazing, the tea tasted great, and then we had, if you remember correctly, there was also parts where you opened up little trinkets that came with the book. So if you don't want to know, then don't watch this part. But I know some people did want to know what the little things were. So the first thing was this little kind of coin. It's made out of wood, though. It's like almost like a wooden nickel, but it's got like little symbols on it, and it kind of represented a portion of the story on what. And it came with a paper kind of explaining what it was all about and what it pertained to. So that was kind of cool that there was more background information about the coin. And then it's kind of like an amulet in a sense too. One of the other things, so we already got tea, so I was kind of I thought it was a little odd that they gave more tea, but it did go with that part of the story. So, and we did already get the second box, which was really fast. So, so I wanted to kind of do it together here. So, but that was kind of that, particular, and I did finish the whole book, and I am excited actually to read the other part that's that we're about to get here. So, but that was the 2 artifacts that came with that. And then I did cut this open because last time it was really hard to open. But so we got another Ever Hollow box, and it's got this second book in it. So I'm excited because I really want to read it. So that's how good it was. It was, I guess, to kind of explain it a little bit, is she's a mnemonic, I think is how you pronounce it. So it's someone that can like see people's into people's pasts. And so her job, she's kind of helping people forget really bad memories of when people have passed. I don't want to give too much away. Her dad is kind of more, I guess, into the herbology. He's there is a different name for it though. But it's all kind of like a magical kind of aspect. There's a guild that's trying to, go after them, and they're trying to run. And and there's even like kind of a romantic little part in there. But like I said, I don't want to give too much away. You should get the book and read it if you want to know more about it. To me, it's kind of like Harry Potter meets the Witch Hunter and any of those kind of like little fantasy kind of things. But it was, just with the way that spell, like kind of the potions worked or whatever. It's not really a potion. It's kind of like a memory vial kind of thing. And yeah, it's really cool. I think you'd like it. If you're into Harry Potter, The Witch Hunter, or any kind of fantasy novels, it's good. So here, my little envelope. And then I was kind of picking at it as I was talking with the wax seal. And then it says, welcome back, Lore Keeper. The path deepens here. What began as shadows at the edge of vision now steps fully into the light, demanding to be seen. In this box, you'll find a piece of world where safety is illusion. Some doors, once open, change us forever. You've already stepped through the first. This one leads further into the hollow. Trust that our experiences are the price of becoming who you are meant to be. So, and then it says from T.M. DePerna, Keeper of the Hollow. I'm always wanting to throw stuff. I don't know what it is. I can't seem to hold on to anything. So now we have, again, the kind of informational sheet that kind of tells us what what pages the songs are on, the artifacts, just in case you lose the little pieces that are inside the book. Which actually, I don't know how much I actually showed you of the book the last time. I know I kind of showed this part, but there were other pages that had some artwork, and I didn't realize that. So that is pretty neat. They got some really good artwork kind of in between. So you have idea, it kind of helps you visualize what's happening in the story at that point. It's actually at the start of each chapter, so really cool artwork. Kind of give you some information there. And then I don't want to mix up today's box with the other one. So let's, so yeah, once again, it tells you to brew your tea and gather a lighter, bring your entire box and find a quiet corner where you won't be disturbed. Open the burlap sack and light your candle. Scan the sigil below, that was the other part too, is the music. It does go to Spotify, so you can save it in your favorites, so you can keep going back to it if you had to stop reading your book and go back to it. So that was really cool. And then the hidden archives. It's there are little games and riddles and things you can stock your apothecary. So it's it's kind of cool to have a little game even to the side with the book. So yeah, really enjoyable, very interactive. I like it. And then you can kind of see it has more paper, lots of little noodles here. Last time I ended up with noodles everywhere. I don't know. Yeah, we'll just set those there. So next book, so this one had the koi on the front. This one, so it's kind of cool, it has all the constellations. So then you have the crab here on this one. And once again, it has, kind of the same detail in the cover there, and has all your little key sections. Here's some artwork for that one. Let's see. Yep, another piece of artwork there. And then, got another little letter, and there's some stickers and stuff. So this one says fear is a cage. So we'll have to find out what that means when that comes along. But yeah, so there's the book. And then, it looks like we got another bookmark, but this one is made out of wood. See that? It's cute. It's got a little, more constellation kind of things on the back. And it says, we're not just victims of our experience, we're co-creators of them. Well, that's an interesting statement there. Kind of makes you think, huh? Let's see. We got some more tea here. So each time they'll give you tea, they'll give you a candle to kind of go with the whole book. This one is, and they're caffeine, it says caffeine free, so and then Everlore Hollow, it says Virden famous peach tea. Oh, that's what her dad was. Now that it said that, he yeah. And then handcrafted by Cirrus Morella, which is actually her father's name. So, and then we're in episode 2. Let's see, kind of open that up. Oop, there we go. Oh, it had plastic on it. It came right out. Ooh, oh my gosh, that smells really good. Look at that. It's got actual like peach pieces in there. Oh, that smells so good. I cannot wait to drink that one. I love peach to begin with, so that looked amazing. And then let's see here. Next we have what they were talking about, the burlap sack. And then it's got a candle in here. And it says hand-poured coconut soy wax candle, the Chime House. And the smell is of fir, mint, and cashmere. And you'll find out what the Chime House is when you read that book. It sounded cool. I'd probably do that with my house. So, oh, that smells so good. Wow, that's going to be a good one. Wow, so fir, mint, and cashmere. It's like the right mixture. Like, I don't know. I've never even thought about putting any of those together. That smells really good, though. Put that back in there. And then, let's see. So, this is obviously not tea. It's ringing. So, this is one of our first artifacts. So, I'm actually really happy because, like, I was kind of worried. I'm like, are they going to give us 2 teas each time? But no. So, this one obviously does not sound like tea. It kind of feels like a little wreath. Maybe to represent the Chime House. I don't know. But I'll let you know in the next video when we do the other unboxing. And then this, oh wow, that's big. I don't even know what that is. What the heck is that? Oh, it's in foam, whatever it is. And it is not light. It's got some weight to it, so interesting. I can't wait to see what this is. We'll unbox that one during the book, and I'll share that with you the next time. And then we got some kind of little thing here. Let's see what we got here. Oh, this is interesting. Well, it kind of has that same little piece. So I wonder what that's all about. I guess we'll kind of find out. Let's see, that coin though that I had over here had that same, if you can see it, it has that same marking on there. So maybe it's kind of putting it all together. So there's, geez, that's hard to like unroll. Oh, okay. So it has Myolanta. It says mnemonic, like I was talking about. So that's what she is. And then there's Neoetic. And then Verdant. That's not Verdant, but Verdant is what her dad is. Organic. So it kind of must be kind of explaining the information in relation to them. And then there it says pyretic, inorganic. I don't even know how to say that. Chthonic, I'm assuming, and umbral. So different types of, I think, practices is that we'll kind of see in the book, I'm assuming. So really interesting artwork too. I like that. It's definitely different. So that's what we have to look forward to with reading our new book. And so I am excited to get into that. Like I said, next video, you'll see what these are. But yeah, so let me show you everything we got. And I don't know, I mean, I guess you kind of saw it already, but I'll hold it up. So got that, because that's just impossible to like unroll otherwise. And then, like I said, artifact 1, 2, we got our candle and our tea, and then our book and bookmark. And then we had our stickers. There was one sticker that I saw so far. I'm sure there's another one, and I'll share that with you next time. So if you like this video, please hit the like and subscribe. And until next time, may the stars light your way, and bless be.